If you've ever wished you could transform your photos without complicated software, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit and elevate your images in Canva using the latest tools available in 2025. Whether you're brand new or you've used Canva before, you'll walk away knowing how to make any photo look stunning with just a few clicks. Start by opening Canva and selecting the photo you want to work on. Simply click the image and an editing menu will appear. From there, hit the edit button. This opens Canva's full editing suite where all the tools you'll need are ready to use. One of the quickest ways to change the mood of your photo is with filters. Click filters and scroll through the different options. Each one has its own look and personality. Try a few until you find the vibe you want. You can always dial them back or switch them out, so don't be afraid to experiment. Next, give your photo some depth with shadows. Head to the shadow section and explore effects like glow, drop shadow, outline, page lift, curved edges, or angled shadows. These effects can make flat images feel more polished and dimensional, especially for thumbnails, posts, or mockups. Now let's refine the background. Click on backdrop to adjust the blur. Increasing the blur helps pull focus to the main subject and remove background distractions. You can also tweak direction settings to control how your shadows and effects fall. Small changes here can make your layout look intentional and professional. To change or harmonize colors within your design, select the color tool. This is great for matching your brand palette or shifting the tone of the image entirely. Play with hues and variations to match the style you're going for. Once you've applied effects, filters, or color changes, use the intensity slider to fine-tune everything. This helps you control how subtle or bold each edit appears so you get the exact look you want. With these tools, filters, shadows, backdrop blur, color, and intensity, you can completely transform any photo in Canva without needing advanced design skills. The more you play around, the quicker you'll get comfortable with all the options. If you found this helpful and want more Canva guides like this, stick around because I've got plenty of tips coming up. Thanks for watching and happy designing.